Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I am so excited that you're here with me today. I am here to share with you Pajama Crafter Stamps' newest release. These stamps are so cute. So if you love the ocean or you love, sea life, this is the release for you. So there's only stamp sets in this release, no dies. And then there are also these cool flashcards. And I don't know if you remember, but I made some fun graduation cards with flashcards from Pajama Crafter Stamp previously. So these are all of the cards that come in the flashcard set. I thought I would just show these to you really quick. This one, it says everything whale, be okay, sea hag, noun, a mermaid before she has her coffee. I think that's hysterical. Beach, please. And to the ocean I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Aloha. All I need is vitamin C. Beach vibes. And not all stars belong to the sky. I thought this was these are all really pretty. The actual pack, this is just a sample pack. The actual pack comes with more of each of these. So I just thought I would show this to you guys really quick so you could see what these are. We might make a card with these today. We might not. I haven't quite decided yet. But we're definitely making a card or two with these. So let me just show you each stamp. This is the What the Krill stamp set, which is so cute. And it's all these little fishes and sea life. And it says, What the Krill, no one likes a shady beach. Can't wait to see you. Happiness comes in waves. And then this is my favorite out of all of them. Whale, whale, whale. You got old. I think that's super cute. Whale, hello there. I whaley love you. Everything whale be okay. And then these are some of the bigger whales in the ocean. And then we have get whale soon. Oh, whale, you're killing me. Feeling under the sea, feeling magical, also stabby. So that's cute. Goes good with this little, what are these called? Narwhals or something like that. And then we have a shark set. So this one says, you're a ray of sunshine, because there is a stingray. Hello, chum. Seriously. Jawsome. So you could put like, have a jawsome day instead of awesome. Have a happy flappy day. So super cute how all these coordinate, and I really like the fonts. So there's the 4 stamp sets. So I even painted my nails to kind of go with the theme so that I would have some fun nails for this video. All right, let's get into it and make a card. Okay, friends, I sped this video up to like a bazillion times the normal speed because we do a lot of stuff. So here we are putting all the little bits and pieces from the What the Krill stamp set onto this Misty, and then we're going to stamp all of them. I think there's only 2 or 3 that I didn't use, and I'm inking with Hero Arts Intensified Black ink and going to stamp down all those bits and pieces, and then we're going to stamp the whales, and then we're going to color all the things. So I sped the coloring up. I think it's even faster than this because it's a lot of coloring. So basically I'm just doing darker around the edges, lighter towards the center, and I stuck with bright, fun colors, pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, things that I knew would complement blue really well. And I actually did Google some of these fish to see what they looked like, and then I still ended up just kind of going with what I wanted to do. So I am going to list all of the Copic marker colors that I used over on my blog. But there's a lot. So anyway, and then this little blue fish here, you're going to notice later that he ends up being like this really cool pink color. It's because I actually ended up glazing over the top of him with a pink because I wasn't happy with him being that blue color. So the color he turns out to be is much better. Anyway, after I got all those cut, I actually fussy cut them all. Do not ask how long it took me to do that. It's embarrassing. But I just had to. I had to fussy cut everything. let's talk about how I colored the whale. I used my W1, W3, W5, and W7. I'm going in at the very bottom of the whale and making it dark, and then going in on the top area of the whale and making it dark, and then shading out to my lightest color. And then I'm going over everything and stippling, which is just basically making little dots of the different colors. Here I zoom in so you could see it a little bit better. And I did this so that the whales would have a little bit of texture and a little more interest. And I just love how they turned out. In my head, this is a mama whale and a baby whale. And I just think that they're super cute. So I want to give you a really fast update on Ashley. This video is not very long, but a lot of you have sent well wishes and prayers. She's doing well. She's still in the hospital. And I'm going to see her actually on the day that you'll see this video. So I'm going to take her this card because it's got like the mama and the baby whale, and it's got little puns in the sentiment, which you'll see here in a minute. I'm using a die from Waffle Flower Crafts to make my background, and I'm using, I think this is Starry Sky cardstock from Stampin' Up, and I'm using this cardstock monochromatically. I wanted some interest in the background, but I really didn't have a good die cut to do that with. I needed like an ocean die cut, and I didn't have one. So I just went with this one, and it turned out great. This is actually, I think it's like strawberry lattice or something, but it worked. I just needed texture. And really, you don't even notice it that much when everything gets put together. My card base is the same color. It's scored at 4 1/4 by, it's cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and then scored at 5 1/2. And then we're going to glue this to the top, and then we're going to create our coral wreath. I really thought that was a fun little play on words there, you know, instead of a coral reef. And that's what we are going to be creating for the front of this. I don't know why, but in my head, I guess the way these whales were shaped in their illustration, it made me think of a wreath, or like them swimming in a circular area. And so that's kind of what I went with. So I'm grabbing sentiments here from, I think this is the Whale Wishes stamp set, or Oh Whale. I don't know. I've confused them all because there's so many and they're cute. They're all cute. The only stamp set we didn't use here today actually is the shark stamp set. So we'll use that in another video, I'm sure. I think it's really cute. I actually have ideas for it. All I can think of is the movie Jaws when I see that. So anyway, we are going to use these little sentiments. One says, it says, "Filling under the sea, get whale soon." So I thought that was really cute and funny and punny. So that's what we're using. And then we're going to use the little bubbles. I'm going to pick this up with my Misty Door, and then I'm going to treat this cardstock with my anti-static powder tool, which is a cottontail, I think it's called a cottontail embossing tool from the Rabbit Hole Designs. While I am talking, I should mention all of the products I used today are going to be linked over on my blog, so you can check those out there. This new release from Pajama Crafter Stamps is just adorable. I mean, I love the illustrations. I love the clean, classic lines of everything, and all of the pieces and parts to all of the stamp sets pair so well together. Like I said, I'm using 3 different stamp sets to create this card. Although you wouldn't have to. You could totally just use one. But I thought it was really fun to mix and match, and they just all pair really well together. If you had some beachy scenes or beachy type products you wanted to use, these would be a fantastic addition. I have lots and lots of ideas for these stamp sets, but I got more ideas than I've got time. That's what I was trying to get out of my mouth. And so today we are tackling the first idea that came to mind. All right, so here we've heat embossed everything. I'm setting this down, and now we're going to start the building. And you are going to see this video get sped way up because it took me, ready for this, drum roll, 45 minutes to get all of these little teeny tiny bits and pieces organized where I wanted them. So, and then I still ended up changing some stuff. So here I've sped everything up super fast because I knew you would not want to sit around and watch me put these together. Now, really quick, because you all come here for story time most of the time, it seems like. See that little blue fish, how I changed the color of him? So cute. So you do that by a technique called color glazing. This technique here is press and seal hinge technique, which you've seen me do a million times. Okay, real quick story time. So I told you I'm going to see Ashley. I'm going to go paint her nails. I'm going to give her a pedicure and a manicure. And so I'm very excited about that. And then after that, I'm going to go have dinner with some of my friends. I only get to see my close friends about once a month. We don't live super close to each other. And so sometimes it takes a little while for us to get together and visit. Here I'm adding some super cute gems from Pajama Crafter stamps, and I'll link to those also. They are adorable and they finished this card off perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this card. I absolutely love how this card came together. I think it is so cute and so beautiful, and I love the colors. If you want to see another video from me, you can click either image you see here and it'll take you to that. Go to the link in the description of this video to see the supply list and more photos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.